Hello friends, today we are going to see about cost sheet in this video. So before moving into cost sheet, we need to know what is cost. Cost is the expense which is required to be made to make a particular product or to do a particular activity. And this particular cost can be divided into various types which we call it to be elements of cost. So this elements of cost can be material, labor or other expenses which are related to this. So if you take any example, okay, all these three expenses form part of the expense of that particular activity. Say for example, you wanted to produce a product. You need material, you need labor to convert that material into product, and you need other expenses which are concerned with that. You need to spend some expenses which are concerned with that. Therefore all these three items forms incredible part of any sort of cost. And now again, this material can be divided into direct and indirect. Likewise, labor can also be divided into direct and indirect. And other expenses again direct and indirect. Direct expenses like direct material, direct labor, direct expenses are those which are related with the production directly. So these material, labor and expenses will be used in the production process directly. And these indirect expenses are those which helps the production process indirectly. And these indirect expenses are technically termed as overheads. And this overheads can again be subdivided as factory overheads, office or admin overheads, and selling and distribution overheads. So these are the work which is done after producing the product. So in the factory you need to pay factory rent, machinery depreciation. So likewise you have lot of expenses which is related with the factory, the infrastructure which is required or which is used for the production. So this helps indirectly the production process. And likewise you will have some certain admin expenses or staff who supports your production. And after the product process has been over and the production is over, the products has to reach the customer. So you need to channelize it and sell it through proper channels, for which you need to pay salesman salary, salesman commission, and as such advertisements, etc. So all these forms selling and distribution overheads. So these are the elements of cost. So to produce a particular product until it reaches the customer's place, you need to do all these expenses. So having an understanding of elements of cost, we shall move to the preparation of cost sheet. Here I have given a small format of cost sheet. This is the simplest form of preparing the cost sheet. Cost sheet is the statement of all the expenses required to do a particular activity. So herein I have taken the cost sheet for producing a particular product. And cost sheet will be prepared for a particular period, or it can be prepared for a particular batch of production. And cost sheet is prepared in different stages. So you can see direct material, direct labor, direct expenses all put together, we call that to be prime cost. This is the first stage. And in direct material you can see there is a small adjustment. So here you have to find out the material which is used during this particular period or for this particular batch. So how to find it? You will have a stock in the beginning, that we call it to be opening stock. Along with that you would have purchased some products, that you can add it up. And likewise at the end you will be having some closing stock. After producing all the products, you will have some closing stock. Reduce it. Therefore you will get a figure which we call it to be raw materials consumed, which is the materials which are actually used in this particular process. So this forms the correct direct material. Along with that, add labor and expenses. This will give you prime cost. Prime cost is the base cost. Okay. Along with that, add factory overheads. As we discussed, all the factory expenses will be listed under factory overheads. Add it together, you get factory or works cost. Along with that, add office or admin cost. You will get cost of production. And all these are cumulative figures. And this cost of production is the cost which is being used for producing that particular product, incurred for producing that particular product. Now the products are ready. You have to sell it. So therefore you are adding selling and distribution expenses. Okay, and adding selling and distribution expenses will give you cost of sales. So this is the price at which the product can be moved out of the factory. So from this point you can fix up your selling price. Okay, you will have a predetermined profit percentage which can be added to cost of sales. Therefore you can determine your selling price. So this is how a cost sheet is being prepared. And if you see the benefits of cost sheet, you can see that all the expenses are being listed. Okay, A to Z of the expenses which have been incurred are listed. Therefore you can identify the expenses which are being consumed at a very high rate or which is not needed. Okay, and all those expenses can be eliminated in the next process. So if you eliminate it in the next process, your profit will rise and you will get a good amount of sales also. And likewise, you can also reduce your cost of sales. So your cost price will come down. When you eliminate the wastage or eliminate the unwanted expenses, your cost price will come down. Therefore, your profit will rise. So this is a great benefit. And likewise, if you go for a large scale production, you can reduce your selling price and you can sell it in greater volumes. So therefore, that also will give you higher returns. So by reducing cost, you can increase your profit. And likewise, per unit cost can also be determined using cost sheet. These are the benefits of cost sheet. Thank you.